In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change text on multiple pages in Canva using a little known but incredibly powerful feature. If you've ever wished you could edit repeated text across several pages without doing it manually, this trick will save you a lot of time and effort. First, open your Canva design. Once it's opened, head over to the top menu and click on File. This menu contains some of Canva's essential editing tools, and the option we need is tucked here. Next, look for Find and Replace Text. Clicking this will open a panel on the side of your screen. This tool is perfect for presentations, ebooks, or any multi-page design where text is repeated. Let's say you want to replace a specific word or phrase throughout your entire project. In the Find field, type exactly the word you want to change. Accuracy matters here because it will only detect instances that match what you type. It could be a product name, a date, or any repeated term. In the Replace With field, type the new word or phrase. This is where you decide what will take the place of the old text. For example, you might be updating a company name, correcting a typo, or changing the year across your slides. Once both fields are set, click Replace All. Canva will instantly scan every page of your project and replace every instance of the word you specify. No scrolling, no copying and pasting, just one click to make all the changes. This tool doesn't just save time, it also reduces mistakes that often happen when editing manually. You'll maintain consistency across every page, keeping your work professional and polished. A tip to keep in mind, double check your spelling in the Find field before clicking Replace. Canva will only recognize exact matches, so a small typo might cause it to miss a few instances. You can also preview the replacements one by one if you want to review each change before committing. For large documents or projects with dozens of pages, this feature is a lifesaver. It's especially handy when working on tight deadlines because it allows you to focus on design and creativity rather than tedious editing. And there you have it, a fast, efficient way to update text across multiple pages using Canva's secret Find and Replace Text feature. Next time you're staring at a long project with repeated words, remember this tool. It's small, but it makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and leave a comment if there's another feature you'd like me to cover. With this trick in your toolkit, editing large projects becomes effortless, leaving you more time to focus on making your designs look amazing.